Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I'm trying to improve in my dental hygiene. So this is one of the things that has helped me a lot. This is the expanding floss by Gum. It doesn't hurt my gums at all. And what I like the most about it is that the floss actually expands. So when you just take it out of its case, it's a very thin string, but once you start flossing, the string kind of expands, which is super cool because it helps me get every little thing out of my teeth, leaving my teeth very clean and with a very minty feel. Just this one case has a very long roll inside, so it has lasted me so many months. I think it's such a great value of how much you pay for how much you get. So I think this is a great dental floss to get, and that is my point of view.